Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Gele tutorial and I have Michael on board to teach you guys this. This video is very uncut, so you guys, we did our possible best to be very detailed. So you'd see most of everything basically. We didn't have any cut out videos and stuff like that. So yeah, sit down, relax and enjoy the video.
Hi guys, my name is Michael. Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you how to tie the traditional Yoruba Gele here in Nigeria. So this is my model, Teresa, looking fabulous, and we're going to go straight to it. Okay, so you want to, it's a whole length, I don't know if you can see. So you pick like the first half. Yeah, so like the first half is like a 3/4 part of the actual cake, and then you fold press like about 5 times or as much as you can. So this is me trying to fold so that you can see, hopefully you can see the first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth, 5, then 6, that's 6 one. I tried to stop at 6 like a 2 cakes, but let me stop here. And then you want to make it firm. Once you're sure it's firm, you come over to your mousse. Remember you have the, am I good? Okay, the quarter part. And then you put it there. Tell her to hold it. Please, hold this up. Yes, and then you come and arrange here. Well, this is how I do mine also. Yeah, different methods. This is what I learned. So, just there. You can try to put them together, you can try not to, but let's put them together. And so this is the back, these are the lines you folded already, or I have folded. I'm just going to pinch it in. I can do more tricks with it, but let's just pinch it in here. And then we're passing the, what side is that? The right hand side, the left hand side, under the right hand side. Just like that. So this is going all this way. Just could you hold it please? This one now, this one. Yeah. Okay. So when she's holding that, you can come and arrange it. Please tilt this way a little. And you just arrange it just like the other way. I think she arranged that. Just a little bit. Okay, so cutting that, remember one is going up, that is the right hand side. And then passing on that. Please ask her, is it hurting you, please?
No, it's not.
Okay, just please tell me. So you don't want to squeeze on the one with the air. Must explode. Oh, so you just literally, yeah. I don't know. Can you see this? Can you see this? So it's like this at the back. So you can tell her, please hold this, please. Thank you. And then you arrange it. Tilt your head forward, please. Thank you. Careful, not too high. Release your hand a little.
Hold again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So from the back, you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as much as you can. You arrange it again. You can put your head backward now, not like forward, like, you know. Yeah, good. So you're just trying to get more of this here. Because this is how you start your good. Okay? I'm just doing it again to be sure. Because I'm about to go. Okay, let's go. Come forward and look at the head. The place is perfect. Where is it a little?
No, this one not entirely.
So I wish you could see this side, but we're gonna pause again because the effect. Can you see? So I'm going to peek as much as I can from the back to it and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rearranging here to make sure it falls into pleasant places. Yeah. And again. Right. So just like that. So we'll just be picking like that, following the lines as possible, as much as possible, and arranging them together. Hold on, guys. Don't forget to always trap with your hand, or else everything will just fall out of place. Except it's a really strong unit, but you should still trap it. So we're following lines. Looks like that's what seems to say. Yeah. Trace the line, trace the line. The thing is to always trace the line and add more and remove. So what number is that? Is that mine? Go, I can't show. All the bumble lines. Bend the head forward now. never found. Hold your two, yeah.
I can't reach my ears.
Okay, no, come. I would put it into consideration. It wasn't in my head. No, do the final. So you can come forward. Yeah. Best is fight your way through it. But yeah, it's, I don't know, for some reason it was harder today, but okay. Thank you so very much for watching. Yeah, so that's it. Have a beautiful day. Bye. To the